Welcome to GeorgiaHealthInsuranceRatesPlans.com. As the healthcare debate continues, we all have the same desires to have affordable health insurance that fulfills individual and family needs. Why does it all have to be so difficult? Well, these days it's difficult to figure out the right affordable insurance, and then even more difficult when you have to pay for it, especially when it's not cheap. Fortunately, we can help you determine a low-cost coverage that is cheap and accessible. So, where do you start? What's cheap? Each individual or family has circumstances that are all different. You have to consider the number of members in your family as well as their needs, and everyone's different. Also, if you're an individual, it's cheaper to afford low-cost plans, but you may have certain issues that also need consideration, so it can get confusing. There are many types of affordable low-cost coverage plans in Georgia, from top health insurance companies like Aetna, Assurant, Coventry One, Cigna, Blue Cross Blue Shield of Georgia, Humana One, Kaiser Permanente, and United Healthcare. So, when you're thinking about low-cost affordable health insurance, what type of insurance coverage is available? Let's look at the basic definitions of healthcare plans and organizations. There's individual and family full coverage medical insurance for individuals whose resources and risks are pooled typically by health insurance carriers to cover medical care expenses. There's short-term, which is affordable temporary insurance when you're between situations that do not cover pre-existing medical conditions. There's Medicare, or affordable supplemental insurance, that helps bridge the gap for those individuals who cannot afford coverage plans. There's group insurance underwritten by an employer, labor union, or professional association, typically cheaper than individual coverage. There's dental, although not health insurance. It is affordable insurance coverage that covers a portion of expenses associated with dental care. While considering cheap, affordable healthcare plans, there are some specific types of affordable health insurance plans to consider. There's the HDHP, or High Deductible Health Plan, combined with and funded by an HSA or HRA, gives greater flexibility and tax advantages to save on medical care expenses. There's the HSA, or Health Savings Account, that allows you to pay for current expenses and save for qualified medical and retiree expenses tax-free. There's the HRA, or Health Reimbursement Account, an employer-funded account used to reimburse allowable medical expenses. Then there are organizations such as HMO, or Health Maintenance Organization. It's an organization of doctors and other professionals that, by contract, provide in-network services from self-funded, premium-paid healthcare benefit plans. The PPO, or Preferred Provider Organization, which is a network of physicians, hospitals, etc., that provide substantial in-network discounts below regularly charged rates. There's the POS, or Point of Service. Basically combines the characteristics of both HMO, PPO. Services are sometimes in and out of network. COBRA is a law that protects coverage for a limited time when there is job loss, transition, death, or divorce. So those are basic definitions of healthcare plans and organizations. So when you're thinking of cheap, affordable healthcare plans, keep this in mind. At some point, we'll know where we all stand with respect to the ongoing debate. So for now, if you're looking for cheap, low-cost coverage, give us a call. We'll both figure it out together. We don't want to just give you a quote. We want to inform and educate you. So what is considered affordable? That's what we're here for. Typically, we can help you determine what premiums and copays will be the most affordable with respect to your specific needs and variables. So contact us for more in-depth information about these plans. No matter what plan you choose in Georgia, just remember, when you choose your plan, don't just get a quote. Let us educate and guide you to the right choice. From GeorgiaHealthInsuranceRatesPlans.com.